In this tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to contact Alibaba supplier, the ultimate guide. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688 Tower, Pinduoduo, or Idufish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about importation business. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing we want to do here is to head over to our address bar right here, and I'm going to type in alibaba.com. All right, so on getting to alibaba.com website, next thing you want to do is to make sure you come to sign in right here and make sure you log into your account. If you don't have an account with alibaba.com before, consider to create a free account with either your Google account or with your Facebook or with your LinkedIn profile. So after you have successfully created an account, then you have to simply log in into your account. So I'm going to straight up enter my username and password to log in to my account. Then I'm going to click on sign in. So after a successful signing to the account, this is when you'll be able to source for a manufacturer and how you can simply contact them without any stress. So the next thing we want to do now is to simply navigate to manufacturers right here. All right, so we can simply scroll down and see some of the manufacturer in this category. Right here, this is one of the manufacturer right here, and another one right here, another one right here. Now, before you can, there are different ways to source for manufacturer and different way to contact them on alibaba.com, and I'm going to explain everything to you. So one of the first way is to source for a manufacturer is to source by all category right here. So when you click on all category, you can see different category manufacturer section right here. So you can navigate to any of the category section right here, then click on it and it bring out the manufacturer in that category. Then from there you can choose any supplier. Okay. So I'm going back to the all category right here, and I'm going to use sports and entertainment category. So I'm going to click on that. So then it's going to take us to all sports and entertainment category manufacturer. From here, we can select any of the supplier right here. So let's, for instance, we want to contact this treadmill supplier. We're going to click on the item link. It's open up in a new page like this. So we have a lot of manufacturer in this product category. So we can simply scroll down and choose any of the supplier right here. Okay. So let's, for instance, we want to choose this particular supplier right here. So this one here. So you have to just simply click on the item link. Then it's load up and open in a new page. So right here, we are on the sales page of the manufacturer. Now, before you can contact any manufacturer on Alibaba, there are certain things you need to consider before you can contact them for business deal. One of the first things you need to consider is the verified badge. Right here, if you take a look at this right here, we have verified badge. This simply means that this supplier here, they have been verified, and you can trust them with your items. And another thing here is that you need to consider the number of years they have been in operation on Alibaba. Right here, this supplier here, they have been in Alibaba for the past 4 years, as you can see right here. And this supplier here, they were directly from China. So these are basic things that you need to consider before you can actually consider to contact a supplier. Then you can simply scroll down and see more information about the store. Then protection for this product, you have to also come here and check on the product protection. So delivery arranged by supplier, you have to then secure payment. So every payment you make on alibaba.com is secure with strictly SSL encryption and PCI DSS data protection protocol. Then you have to take note of refund policy. So all these things are very much important so that you don't fall in the wrong hand of a supplier. Lastly, you need to make sure you consider trade assurance at the bottom right here. Not every supplier have this trade assurance, but for you to be sure and have rest of mind that you are dealing with a legit supplier, you have to make sure that the supplier sales page have trade assurance and they have secure payment and they have a refund policy. Then next thing you can do here is to simply check on the product attribute right here. So key attribute right here. The place of origin is this, which is China. The brand name here, the screen here, and it's a unisex product. Then you can simply scroll down and see more stuff about this particular supplier. Then also, this supplier here, they offer customization. So which means that if you are getting item in a very large quantity, they can print your logo or your brand name on their item. But the minimum order for that is 100 pieces, as you can see right here. So for customization, you must buy nothing less than 100 pieces. So that is that. You can simply scroll down next and see review of the previous buyer of this particular product, just like what you see right here. So this product here has been sold to different people across the world and they have been given 5-star review. This is another thing you need to take into consideration before you can contact a supplier on Alibaba. And lastly, you have to come down below here and check on general store rating right here. So general store rating here simply means that the overall rating of the store. So right here, the general store rating is 4.7, which is very much good compared to some store that we have 3 rating and 2 rating and the like. So if you have any store that have general rating of 4.7, consider to patronize them. They are real and reliable. Then so far so good, they have made over 110,000 USD selling on Alibaba.com, so you can be sure that you are dealing with the right people. Another thing you need to take into consideration is their quality control. So you have to read on that and etc. Then you can simply scroll down and check more product detail as far as this is concerned. So this is product description, and you can scroll down and see product graphics. All these are very much important. After you have done all these background checking and the product details and you are fully understand what the items is all about and you are ready to patronize the supplier, so what you simply need is to simply click on this icon right here, which signifies contact us. So when you click on that, then it takes you to where you can start conversation with the supplier, just like what you see right here. So we can start a conversation with them, such as we can enter the MOQ, we can enter the pieces that we need, then we can also give them a description and the likes. Then once we are done with everything, then we click on send inquiry. It's as simple as that, and the supplier will get back to us as far as possible. So also make sure this is there, which is signify symbol for trade assurance on Alibaba.com. So let's quickly go back to the main website of Alibaba and let me show you another stuff on how you can actually contact Alibaba supplier. All right, so from the main page of Alibaba right here, we have different supplier here also, and for you to contact any one of them right here, let's for instance, we want to contact this particular clothing store right here. So we can simply click on their store name right here. Then once you click on their store name, so when you click on their store name, it takes us to this particular page. Like I said in the previous explanation, look at this store right here. General store rating here is 3.8, which is very much poor. So, and if you want to contact this particular supplier right here, what you need to do is to simply click on chat now. So this is another way to contact supplier. After you have done your background checking, you have satisfied with the quality, and then you are ready to patronize the supplier. This is another way to contact them. Just click on chat now and start conversation business with the supplier. And also, this manufacturer here also, they were verified and directly from China, you can see, and they have been Alibaba for the past 7 years, and they have 45 total number of staff. Then they were into this particular category. So we can simply scroll down and see more detail about this particular store. Okay. So when you click on chat now, it's going to bring out this particular chat box right here. Then we can start to chat with the supplier. We can also upload a sample picture to a supplier. We can also upload a file. We can also make or book a call, make the voice call or video call to any supplier. We can also send a business card to the supplier. We can send address card to the supplier. We can also make use of translation, most especially if the supplier did not understand English language. But most of the supplier on Alibaba, they will fully understand English language, then you can use it to communicate with them. So this is what I have for you as far as how to contact Alibaba supplier complete ultimate guide. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about importation business. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.